Good morning, team Ostenders. Here is your hair colour tutorial. In my letterbox will be a bag with the kit. The scales, standard set of household scales. Where are we? I can't turn the camera around. If you put the mixing bowl on the scale, turn the scale on, and then it will calibrate to 0. And then the unit that comes up is the unit that you want. 3 tubes of colour. You want to mix 10 grams or 10 mils. I haven't got my glasses on, so I can't see what the unit is, but it's just 10 of whatever. So squeeze in 10 of this, 10 of this, 10 of this. You'll have excess left over in the tubes. So now you've got 30 grams of liquid in there, and then the developer, you add an equal amount. So another 30 of the liquid, which will give you now 60 grams in total. I know you knew that. Mix it together. Now, there's no back on the scale, so the battery might fall out. Just fiddle around, you'll work it out. Okay, so now you've got your 60 grams of hair colour, and you come up to Caroline's badger that she's been growing, Tim, and what you would typically do is split the head into 4 quarters, going from nose to nape and crown to ear. I'm just going to pause that and I'll do that now. So in classic Blue Peter style, here's one I prepared earlier, and then basically what you're going to do is work through the quarters. Start with the front half, pick a quarter, and basically with your mixture now paint it just onto the grey area, and then take a clip out, and then what you'll typically do is take a slice, lift it over, paint the grey area, both sides, and you want the slice to be probably no more than ½ centimetre thick. What should happen is, when you paint the colour on, when you take the next slice and look underneath, the colour should be just coming through. And work your way through the head until you've done it all, and then you're going to mulch, which Caroline will explain that to you. But basically what happens is, in the mid-length and end of the hair, you'll see towards the end the old colour that I've done will be very faded and looks dry. And so what I would then do is, normally just in the top area, because the underneath doesn't fade as much, is weave out about 50%. So this is after you've done all the roots. So just go through it all, weave out half, and then squidge the colour through. That just makes the colour look more natural rather than a block of colour. Worst case scenario, if you were to take the colour right the way through, it wouldn't be a problem. Any questions? Give me a text. Oh, you need to leave it on for an hour, and then 2 shampoos and a conditioner. Bob's your uncle. And then if you can package that stuff back up and bring it back to me, no imminent rush, but you know, don't keep hold of it, is what I'm saying. Alright, I think that's straightforward. Let me know the result.